that is project tracking. So let's get started. In this section, we will first learn how to track a project using work breakdown structure and the project plan. Then we will look into the Microsoft project integration with CRM Online with the project service automation. So let's get started quickly. So our first video of the section project tracking is to track the progress of the project using the work breakdown structure. So let's just first understand what is work breakdown structure. A work breakdown structure is a key project deliverable that organizes the team's work into manageable sections. The project management body of knowledge, that is PMBOK 5, defines the work breakdown structure as a hierarchical decomposition of the total scope of work to be carried out by the project team to accomplish the project objective and create the required deliverables. So this is how it looks like in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. The need for tracking progress against a WBS varies across industry verticals. Some industries do it more diligently at very granular level of WBS, while others may track at a higher level of WBS. The effort tracking view shows the tracking of progress for tasks in the WBS. It compares the actual effort hours spent against a task till date to be planned, effort hours on a task. Below tracking metrics are required. Progress percentage is equals to actual effort spent to date divided by the planned effort for the task. Estimate to complete. This is equals to planned effort minus actual effort spent till date. Estimate at complete, which is EAC, is equals to remaining effort plus actual effort spent till date. Project effort variance needs to be calculated, which is equals to planned effort minus EAC, which is estimate at complete. Project service automation shows a projection of the effort variance on the task. If EAC is more than planned effort, the task is projected to take more time than originally planned and is actually behind the schedule. If EAC is less than planned effort, the task is projected to take less time than originally planned and is ahead of the schedule. Project service automation uses the following formulas to show a tracking matrix. One is a percent of cost consumed, which is actual cost till date slash planned cost for the task. Second is a cost to complete, which is equals to planned cost minus the actual cost spent till date, where estimated EAC equals to CTC, which is cost to complete plus actual cost spent till date. Now, project cost variance equals to planned cost minus estimated actual cost. A project of the cost variance is shown on the task. If EAC is more than the planned cost, the task is projected to use more money than originally planned for and is trending over budget. If EAC is less than the planned cost, the task is projected to use less money than originally planned for and is trending under budget. So let's quickly jump on the demo and have a look at the WBS item. So now if we look at the WBS item, it is very evident that the need for tracking a progress against WBS varies across industry verticals. So let's just open a project. We can see the current and upcoming project. So right now the current and upcoming project is this. So right now if we want to track this, we should look at the views. So first view is a effort breaking view. Let's open the WBS. Now we do have an option to look at the views. One is a project estimates. If we look at the project estimate, there are views time phase by effort. This is basically where we are simply calculating the effort required by a project manager during the analysis task and the design task and estimated start date with the estimated end date. Now here there is an option to update the prices as well. Now we do have an option to see a monthly view or day view or a year view. Let's look at the weekly view. Now we do have option to group by role or by a category. Let's say Right now, category, we do not have a data for a category. So let's group by the role. Now we do have another option to increase the effort required to do this task for a project manager. Let's say for design. Now we can save it. Now this is saying that we cannot change it since it is flowing from the WBS. Now the effort tracking view. This is the effort tracking view. Now let's have a look at the other view. Let's go to the project tracking. This one is a effort tracking. Other one is a cost tracking view. It says you can use the bill rate to track and you can use the cost rate. So let's go back to the effort tracking view. Here, there are options to choose the columns, which is remaining cost. So we discussed all those formulas which are calculated because of this. So let's remove some of the columns. Similarly, if we go to the cost tracking view, we do have option to see how many remaining hours are there. Since the project has not yet started, that is why we cannot see anything. Otherwise, this is a view where a project manager can easily track the progress of the project. Now we can change the time scale view to the weekly view or maybe a monthly view. Here monthly view is making more sense.